Hello to everyone. Today we are going for grossing, so some area we have already completed, and you can see the irrigation system is working fine. Oh, it's coming. Okay, so when we tested our irrigation system, we have a couple of problems, some leakages that we were not expecting for that. But there was some problem in the quality of the sockets that we used in gluing. Now that problem is solved. This sprinkler is actually disturbing me again and again. Then after that we have started grassing. So this is the new technique, putting the grass down. So let me show you first the base. So if you can see here, we have laid the sand, and on top of sand we are putting the grass. So this is the sand media, and this is Ravi sand. That comes from the Ravi. That is not A grade. This is B grade sand. And the sprinklers installed here are the Rainbird Mexipa. This is Mexipa from the Rainbird, and that is 2045A is the its code. You can see it here written 2045A, and it's a very good sprinkler, impact type. You can adjust it anywhere. So in each hydrozone, one hydrozone is equal. Discharge of one hydrozone is about 75 gallons per minute, and there are 28 sprinklers in each hydrozone. Currently, that one hydrozone that is irrigating the area, these are the 28 sprinklers. So let me show you the grass. So once when we prepare the ground, then we bring grass. Actually, this was the waste grass from one of my site. So I brought that grass here. You can see this is having the roots also. So either sprigging it inside the ground, stucking inside, I just throw it there, and it is sitting on top of the ground. Then once I lay the all grass here on top of the sand media, then I will give them a little bit drink, irrigation, and once they get a drink, then I will use my roller, and that roller will compact, actually insert the grass inside. So let me show you the area that we have done yesterday. Here you can see that when I pass through these little clumps, those are settled down. So here you can see this is the gang that I am using. There's a roller behind it, and here is the gang, the discs. So watch what these discs are doing. These discs pushes the sods, you can say them, or the clumps of the grass inside the sand media, and that roller on the back of it, that covers them, level them. So this is a very good unit, and how it works, how we use it, I will give you an idea of that also, but let me give you a quick look. So here are the adjustments. If we want to lift these discs more, then we have the adjustment here, right? So currently it is adjusted where we have more compaction and less discs to be used. If we bring that to here, then what will happen? The discs will go more down, and the roller will be working, but that will be but the discs will be more down. So what will happen that there will be a lot of scratches on the ground. So currently we have lifted the discs, and I have one increment more. I can lift. If I put that nut bolt there, then the disc will be more up, but I need the discs to push the this grass down. You can see here that the discs what is called scratches inside the ground. So they are almost 4 to 5 mm. They are pushing the sod inside, and what will happen that when these discs push this grass inside, then it will come in very close contact with the media, which is sand in our case, and the grass will go quickly. So the fertilizer that we will use here, that is the NPK. I already uploaded a couple of videos about the fertilizer, and the NPK that we are using is 15%. Nitrogen is 15%, phosphorus is 15%, and potash is 15% in that formula. We are using the fertilizer from Angro, which is a multinational company, and you can get it anywhere. Currently the price has gone up, and I'm purchasing them about you can say $80 each bag. Oh, sorry. And one bag is about 50 kg. So $80 US dollars is the price of the one bag. The track work is completed, and these sprinklers are disturbing me. So overall, once we push inside these sods, you can say the grass, then what will happen? The next thing will be the irrigation. So irrigation must be rich for next 14 days. If you are growing grass, then the initial 14 days will be rich irrigation, or either you can say that in every 1 hour you have to irrigate your grass for 10 minutes or 20 minutes, depending upon the weather conditions and the media that you are using. I am using sand, so I have to run the sprinkler extra, which will be about 25 minutes each zone, each hydro zone. So let's see what will happen, but it will be good, nice, and everything. You can see here, this grass is green, this is a bit yellow, dull. So that we have planted yesterday, and that was irrigated. This grass we are grassing today, so that's why it is look like it didn't get its first drink, so that's why it looked like dry, but it will be recover soon.